Hello hackers, we're back and we're working on Linux search. Let's take a look at this first one. It is always shop local 2. ls. Everybody knows how to ls. Just run the ls available in labs 020 search to retrieve the flag. Cool. So we're in 020 search. I'm going to ls here, and it's this ls they actually want us to run. Being a little tricky, so we're going to do /ls. Cool. fs, it's important to know which command you're running. Definitely is. So we're going to copy that and paste it in here. Next up, blast from the past. It's always a good idea to check out your past, notice anything interesting. Let's see the hints here. Say you've typed in a command and you want to go back and remember what it is that you typed. How would we find that? Well, you'd want to look into your history. And here is the history. Here is a lot of the commands that I had been just running. And if we look way back in the back, it says, okay, this is all junk. Interesting. I didn't write that. Just to hide stuff for later. Important thing. Okay. This is all junk. And then here, history likes to repeat. And there we go. So we have our flag. Let's go ahead and place it in there. Cool. So now we're up to hey, here kitty kitty. I can't find my darling kitty. I'm pretty sure he's in here kitty kitty somewhere. So can you find him the flag? So let's clear ls, and so let's go into here kitty kitty and see what's there. Okay, we have a whole bunch of files. Let's try catting one of these files. So let's try cat file 02. And we're not going to be able to cat that, right? Can't start with a dash, so we'll do /. Okay, gross. Some weird characters there. That's not cool. So what we can use is one of the commands that we learned about to search for things. We can grep. And we have a lot of things that we're going to recursively grep through things. So I'm going to use the -r flag, and we're going to look for this. Cool. So it found our flag in this file 07 had it. Cool. So let's grab that flag and paste that in here. That is incorrect. Okay, cool. That's incorrect. Did I copy and paste it wrong? Copy and paste. Oh, it's because it's the wrong problem. Well, that'll do it. Okay. Next up, lost and found. Okay. So I lost my flag, but it should be easy to find. It's the only file within lost and found that is exactly 223 bytes in size. So can you help me find it? And we're going to use the find command, and it's in search, and it's also available on the shell server. Cool. So let's cd out of kitty kitty, clear an ls, and we're going to go into lost and found. So we're going to cd into lost and found, clear an ls, and wow, there's a whole bunch of directories here. So like if I were to cd into maybe here 0, let's see what's in. Oh man, there's too many files. We'd never be able to do this manually. So we're going to use find. And we do know some things about find. We can look into the manual for find to find more ways we can search by things. But we already know that we want to find by size. So I'm going to try and find size. Oh, look, see? And then we can have a -size option and C for bytes. So we want to find a file that's 223 bytes in size. Let's try it. So we're going to find dot. This is like dot the current directory. -size and 223C for 223 bytes. And let's see what we get. Cool. So it's telling us that it found the file that matches that, and it's this file. It's called maybe here 07, and then it's the hidden file 2 there. So let's cat that. Maybe here 07 dot file 2. Cool. And of course, we could have grepped for this, but we're practicing using find. So copy that in there, lost and found. Paste that right there. Cool. So we have this. How big do we need to be to say we truly exist? Create a file named Am I Even Real anywhere you want that is 0 bytes in size and update your system so it can find it with locate. Then run what is existence, and we can find what is existence on our Kali VM. Cool. So in order for locate to work, it needs to have an updated database. So we can update the database with update DB and let that run. Cool. So if we touch Am I Even Real, we're going to have to run update DB again. That was fast though. And now we need to run what is existence. Is that here? Oh, well, doesn't need to be here. And we'll do what /what is existence. And we got our file. Got our flag. Is 0 bytes even really a file? Well, Linux thinks so, so I guess it is. Next up, we have where am I? I'm going to play hide and seek. An executable named where am I? Can you determine its location without using locate and find? Now, of course, you can use locate and find to find it, but we're trying to get you to use a different command. Let's see what the hints are here. Title's a huge hint. Where am I? Above hint is also a meta hint. Less cryptic hint. Challenge your ability to know which binary you're executing. For example, when you typed ls, how do you know what ls or which ls you're using? So let's say which, where am I is what we'll use. And it seems like there's a where am I in user local sbin. Okay. So what do we need to do? Can you determine its location? The flag is hidden in the same directory. All right, so let's go in there. I'm going to copy this, and that's where we'll cd to. We'll cd to there. Well, that's ls. And there's a secret here now. So let's cat the secret and see what's in there. So close, but I told you which is not right. Now, where is the correct executable? Let's try where is. Where am I? So here we have some more information. Thought we were close. User local bin and user local sbin. It's all right. So let's try going to bin. User local bin. CD there. Let's clear the terminal and see what's in here. Okay, we got a new secret. Cat secret.txt. There he is. Where is it? Now I get it. So let's copy that in there. Paste it. Submit. Okay. And last problem we've got here is wild thing. It's time to make my heart sing. Okay, cool. So we have all of these things. We have things that begin with a P, end with a 7, contain an I, or have badu bop in the name. Okay, we don't like that badu bop. So delete all those files and then run wild thing to get your flag. So where are we? Let's cd home and then cd to labs and cd to O2. Search and heart. So let's cd into heart. Let's see what we got here. Oh gosh. So we got a whole bunch of little thingies in here that we got to delete, a whole bunch of files that we're going to delete. So let's see. We're going to delete anything that begins with a P. So rm p star. And that will get rid of everything that starts with a P. Cool. And next up, we're going to delete anything that ends with a 7. So rm, other way, star 7. Anything that ends with a 7. Okay. And then contains I. Okay. rm star I star. If you have an I in you, we're going to get rid of you. And then it has badu bop in the name. So rm star badu bop. I'm going to do it like this. Ba, do, ba, star. Now let's try that. Okay. And then we need to run wild thing. Is that in here? I don't know if it is. Okay, wild thing, there it is. So we're going to run wild thing. Cool. There we go. Really do make everything groovy. Paste that flag in. Awesome. And we've completed the Linux search problems. So take care, and I'll see you in the next.